Welcome to the SkyRadar video channel. You will see in this video how we assemble the FMCW base module, how we connect it with the wireless LAN connection, and how we set it on the rotary tripod. Let's start with the first step, and we assemble the wireless connection. You see, it's just a simple connection of one cable. There we go. This wireless connection will allow us to connect either to a set of computers directly via their Wi-Fi connection, or if we have a set bigger than 5 laptops, we always advise to rather work with the cloud server. Now we continue and we place this device on the rotary tripod. As it's magnetic, it will find its position automatically. You see, in comparison to the original version of version 5X, we now in the series 6 we have a plate, so it can be placed on a table, and this plate can be placed on a tripod so that we can be freestanding in the room. Now we connect the power supply. We have the RG45 connection between the lower part and the higher part. You remember from the introduction, the upper part is the FMCW base module, an FMCW, Doppler, FSK and whatever radar. And below we've got a step motor which allows us to very precisely position the radar in a rotary movement. This same device can be plugged also below the PSR, and it can be the basis for the ISA application. Now we finish our setup with the power supply. You see in the plate there is the socket, and this is where we simply have to plug it in. And there you go, we're ready. Nothing difficult, just a simple plug and play solution. And the most fantastic thing is, you start it up, and it will be running, if you want, on 10,000 computers simultaneously. Thank you. start it up and it will be running, if you want, on 10,000 computers simultaneously. Thank you.